Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to fit a wing onto a W177 A Class. So this is applicable to all of the diesel, the hybrid, the petrol models and the A35 as well. So where we start is the spoiler comes like this. Then we'll put these pieces onto the sides like that. And then we'll fix these on and then we can test fit it and get it onto the car. So the kit comes with a pack of screws and bolts and rivets that you need. So I'm just going to get these small little screws, which I need to secure the side pieces. It'll probably be easier to pull them out, but it's fine. So like that, and then I'll start on that side. Just hold it with my elbow. And then I'm just going to check these by hand as well because I don't want to over tighten them and ruin the spoiler. Now I can do this side. Again, I'll screw it in. Okay, happy with that. There. 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 You just don't want to over tighten this because if you do, then it will just be spinning around inside and it's not actually going to hold it, but now it'll be holding it nice and secure. So now we move on to putting these on, and they are side specific. So if you look at these here, I don't know if you'll be able to zoom in, Archie, but they'll go like that. You see they're angled inwards. So that will go, this one will go here, and this one will go here. Here. It's a bit tougher, but yeah, that's where it goes. So now I'll use my longer ones, add an extension in because it's a bit longer, and then it's the same, so out of the packet it's the same smaller screws that it comes with. So we go in there, you'll see there is a hole and a dimple of where it screws in, and then that happens. Yeah, so we're going for the hole and the dimple. Cool. See, I've got that in just slightly so I can check it by hand. By hand. There we go. One. Okay, cool. So that's these mounts all secured. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put these mounts on here, which are a matte black kind of plastic. I'll get them. And the reason that we're doing that is because when we line it up to where we're happy on the car, we'll then put a hole all the way through, a pilot hole, and then we'll be able to remove everything and put these exactly where they need to go on the back of the car. So we'll start by placing that on and then placing it on here. Then what you need, which I've got in my pocket, is an H3 bit, and then you're going to need to use these. You can see them, there's 4 of them in the packet. and then what you'll do is you put that through there, and then what that will do is it will protect the plastic from not crushing and where it gets to the mount, because that has a thread in there. So we're just going to use this to get that fitted. Okay, put these in. 1, 2, 3. So we've got that fitted. Okay, that's on. Okay. So the next thing that we need to do is then line it up to the car. I know more or less where it goes, but we're also going to use a whiteboard marker to just mark on there exactly where we've got this going on. And then we'll drill the pilot holes and we get these mounts into the right place. Marker it. So here, so when you're lining it up, it pretty much has to, the bottom of it has to be in line with this plastic here on the boot lid, on the window. Mark it with my pen. Perfect. Yep. Now we have a pilot hole on here. Can you see that, Archie? On camera. It's tiny because this car's black. There. So now we've got a pilot hole on each side, and we've got a hole there. Now we're going to put a hole through here, through one of the original mounting points on the spoiler, to then make a pilot hole here, so we can create a pilot hole in the boot lid and then line this mount up. So let's go and get that done. Okay. There. Cool? Yeah?
Well, yeah.
Cool. Now we're just taking these mounts off so that then we can put them onto the original spoiler, and then we can get them mounted, so then fix this onto them. Just going to put these down.
Cool.
Okay. So now we've got these lined up, we're going to do the pilot holes for the other 2 holes here, and then we'll get those tightened up. Now that we've got the sides all lined up and the mounts screwed into the right place, we need to mark up where the middle mounts go. So we'll use a whiteboard marker so we can just wipe it off straight after and get the mounts for that on there.
Ooh.
Yep. Okay. So now we've got ovals exactly where that goes, and then we're going to measure with a vernier the distance from the back of the mount, of the upright mount, to the mount that goes into here, and then that's how far in we'll screw it in onto the car. So these are side specific as well. So that one goes there because they are a little bit angled. If you look, so that one goes there, that one goes there, but you can't clip them in before you mount them to the car, because once you clip it in, it's almost impossible to get them off without breaking them. So we're going to measure, start on 1, 16 mil. Okay, so we're going to do it 16.5 mil away from the line.
There.
There, and that's in the middle.
You hold it as well while you drill it. Holding it?
Yeah. Yeah, holding.
Cool.
Okay. So that's where that goes. There.
Yep.
Okay. So that's done. Now we can wipe off the whiteboard marker. Tighten it up here. So line it up.
Don't clip it down fully yet.
Yep. I'm just holding the end.
That's the right place for you.
Yeah.
Go up then. Tighten it fully. Hold it.
Yep. So now that we push these down with these mounts that clip into it, Mars can tighten it up completely. And then the final bit is going to be clipping everything into place and then tightening up these M5 end bolts. Yep. Yeah. Okay. Now I'll do these screws with the. So just gonna.
Yeah, leave it anywhere, mate. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, that's that side tightened. Tightened. There you go. So that's the spoiler fitted. Final bit is these end caps clip on like that. There we go. And that's that spoiler done. And then look at these gaps. Look perfect. That's how it should look in line with the original spoiler. So that's that wrapped up. Hopefully that helps you when it comes to fitting one of these wings to a W177. If you have any questions, please reach out to us on our socials or on our website. And if you'd like to see this product and any of the other products that we do for the W177, make sure you check out our website.